How to remove sounds from a video on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to look at how you can easily remove sound from a video on your Android device. So let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up your gallery to open up the video. So I'll just open up my gallery. So here I've selected this video, and as you can see, this video has sound. So in order to remove the sound, what you need to do is tap on the edit icon down below. And once you tap on it, you can trim the video, you can do all the other stuff as well. But basically what you want to do is tap on the volume icon at the very right side. And then you can just go ahead and mute this by tapping on the volume icon or just moving the slider all the way to the left. Then if you want to save it as it is, you can just tap on the save icon at the top. And if you want to save it as a copy, you can just tap on the three dots and then tap on save copy, and it will be saved as a copy. And that's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.